guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we'll learn how to enable Applock in Oneplus 9RT smartphone. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the app drawer, then choose settings. Now swipe up, then choose privacy from the list, then select Applock, then enable the Applock. Now we need to set the privacy password. So I will use a password. So it's a common password. You can use your own password. So it's just for your demo. Also you can add some security question. Now we set the security address. Now we set the recovery email, then click. Now you can enable the Applock for this list out applications. You can enable. Also you can use it for fingerprint and face unlock also. Now we enable for 2 applications. Then we come back. So when we access the application, now it is asking for password. So when we enter your password, now the app is opened. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and do subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. Thank you.